Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Had a breakfast, children? Yes, let us go to this poem, Glow Worms. Glow worm. Let us read, children, today. Glow worms, where do you go? And what do you do? You always move in a group or in one or two. Glow worms, where do you go? And what do you do? The light you emit from your back is for others and not for you. Glow worms, where do you go? And what do you do? Now, glowworm is called as a firefly. They call firefly or glowworms. Found this in growing in the dark. This worm you can find in the dark place. It will be growing in a dark place. And you can see here the glowworm is giving a light here. It's not a friend, its mouth is here, its back, the worm's back is here. Light comes from backside. Light comes from backside. You can see the glowworm here clearly. The mouth is here, body is here. The backside of the glowworm it comes light. We can see, no? It comes to our houses also. You can see in dark places, you get very shining light you get. Now, let us see once more about this glowworm. Glowworms, where do you go? Now, the poet is asking to the glowworm that glowworms, where do you go? And what do you do? Where you are going and what you are going to do there? You always move in a group. You always move in a group. The glowworms will move in a group or one or two. Or in one or two. It goes in a group or one or two. You can see in the same place one or two. There only. You can see nearby their place one or two. There it will be going one or twos. Glowworm, where do you go? And what do you do? See, again the poet is asking, glowworm, where you are going and what you are doing there? You are going, where you are going and what you are doing there. And the light you emit, see, the light emit means it leaves a light for us. For example, see, in our house, we'll switch on the light switch, the light will be on. We'll off the light will be off there. Yes or no, children? Like this only, this worm will be leaving the light from the back side of the body. From your back is for others. Now the worm is front side, the mouth is here, the body is here, back light is there. It leaves from the back of the body. It leaves the light for others, not for the glowworm. If it wants the light, the light is back side, not front side. So, the worm will leave the light. If it emitted the light means for others it is useful. It is for others, not for the glowworm. See, the stanza is like this only. From your back, it's for others, not for your glowworm, not for the glowworm. The glowworm leaves the light when emits the light, it comes for us, not for the glowworm and not for you. See, the stanza also, the line of this poem is telling it's not for you. The light is coming from the back of the body, means it comes for the others, not for the glowworm here. You can see the glowworm here. The mouth of the glowworm is here. Here is the body. Backside you can see the light here for the glowworm. If the light comes from the back side, the other persons or for others it is useful. If the light comes from there, it's not useful to the glowworm because it's not for glowworm. Yes, children. Glowworms, glowworms, where do you go? And what do you do? See where you are going and what you are doing. The poet is asking where you are going and what you are doing. See, you can see the glowworm here. You can see the many glowworms here. In the dark place, you see the glowworm there. You can see the lights shining there. You can see the light shining there. And look here, children. It grows in a dark place. It grows in a dark place. Grow means it will be very small. When it want to become a big, it grows in a dark place. It can't grow in a light place. It will be always found in the roadside, side of roads. Side of roads. By the side of roads you can see the glowworm there. And here when it grows, when it's going to grow in the dark place only, where it's going to grow in the dark place only. It cannot grow in the light place. And when it leaves the light, when you see in the dark place, when it leaves the light, it emits the light. Now we feel like the light has come to us. That light will be very shining. Shining it will be. The light will be very shining. Yes. Now you can see the glowworms here. Wherever you can see the lights are here. You can found here many glowworms here. So the light is shining here. Where it is growing? It is growing in the dark place. It is growing in a dark place. Where it will be, children? The glowworm always you can see by the side of the roads. By the side of the roads, when you see in the dark place, the light will be coming from the back side. It is only for others, not for the glowworm. Now you can see this glowworm. It stays in a dark place. It is a dark place you can see here. It's growing bigger. When it will be small and it is going bigger means it should be in a dark place. It grows in a dark place. Afterwards, when it comes outside, from where it leaves the light, from the back side of the body. But when it leaves the light, the others will be useful. It leaves for the light for others, not for the glowworm. It's not for the glowworm. It is for others. When it leaves from the back side, others will be used for that light, not for the glowworm. Yes. Hope you all understood this poem. Now I'll read once more. Glowworms, 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 where do you go and what do you do? You always move in a group or in one or two. Glowworms, glowworms, where do you go and what do you do? The light you emit from your back, it's for others. Now see, it emits the light it is from back side of the body. So it is for others. The light is for others, not for the glowworm and not for you. And not for you, not for the glowworm also. It's for others. And not for you, glowworms, glowworms. Where do you go and what do you do? Thank you, children.